Back to my channel. So a few weeks ago I had exactly 76 rupees in my account and no video idea. So I went on to Google and I searched things to do in Bangalore for free and I came upon this entry. Now if you like dogs or animals even a teeny bit, this is the perfect opportunity for you. So this is spending the day with 100 dogs. I found a shelter called Maruti Dog Shelter in Sarjapur. They encourage you to interact and mingle with the dogs for free. I mean, of course, you can volunteer to donate your time, your money, or a few necessities for the dog, but essentially, you can go and hang out with dogs all day for free. I will be talking a few more details about the shelter and what you can do at the end of this video. So if you're really interested in going and checking them out, please stick around. I've been trying to go to the shelter for the past few weeks. However, due to a few issues, I haven't been able to. And I finally booked a time slot to go and visit them. And I'm so excited. Meanwhile, I'm really late to get to the shelter, so let's get to it. We're at the dog shelter now and no one's picking up their phone and it is so hot. We got a little late because it's really far away from the city and we had to pick up a few towels and my sister forgot her helmet. And we got some newspapers, some towels to donate for the doggies. Don't pet the dogs for 5 minutes, otherwise you'll get into jealousy fights. I really don't know what to do. There's so many dogs and I'm not sure if I'm allowed to touch them yet. Like, I'm a little nervous with so many dogs around. It's been 5 minutes now.
A few moments later.
I've calmed down finally and I'm not so nervous anymore. They just want to be pet, but they're kind of scared of us as much as we're scared of them. Just wants to know. She's so scared of humans, but she came to me. Kittu just asked, can she take a picture? Krishna, who are you talking to? The dog. A movie dog, no? That one's so excited. That one's so greedy. He's never been bitten. He's been working here 6 months. These dogs are just angels, honestly. Dog lady. Come here. They really are the descendants of wolves. This is some turf war going on. They fight a lot, so they've been kept separate. And if you want to go inside, you need to ask for permission. But they have like beautiful puppies there. टोटल कितने डॉग्स हैं यहाँ पे? 100. अच्छा. I haven't gotten permission to have an interview with them, but I was just asking them a few questions. So they have, I think, 116 dogs, if I'm not wrong. And you can come here and you can adopt them as well as playing with them. They have a few puppies and they have a few labs, if breed matters to you, but it really shouldn't because all dogs deserve love. So this organization has been around for around 20 years. So that's a really long time. If you want to help the dogs in any way, you can donate milk and biscuits and rice. You can donate old towels, sheets and some newspapers if you want. They have a tie-up with a vendor where they donate rice of 25 kgs for 500 bucks, and that one bag of rice lasts only one day. So I can't even imagine the magnitude and the amount of donations they need. So if you can contribute anything to the organization, I'll link everything down below, so please do that. I'm a big advocate for adopt, don't shop. This is a great place. You can come and hang out with the puppies and maybe adopt one. I mean, if you need a service dog or if you're allergic, I understand, but as much as you can, please try to adopt. If I have missed out anything, if you want any information, you can just comment down below, or you can go onto their Facebook page and ask the questions, and they'll be more than happy to assist you. It's been about an hour since we've been here, and I think it's time for the puppies to rest and for us to leave, which I really don't want. So I'm gonna say bye, and then we're gonna play with the little puppies, and then we'll leave. Sorry I didn't get to meet all of them, but I mean, this is definitely not the first time we're gonna be coming here. We have like a lot more dogs to meet. Bye bye. Bye. Bye 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 bye. You guys have to come here, and please, if you can, donate and adopt these dogs. They deserve a good home. And you really don't want to leave. I don't want to leave. Puppy, that's my sister. Oh, he's not shivering. So cute, I can't even. That's too cute. Achha, do you want to go inside now? Yeah, he's shivering a lot. This is like Phoebe's dog with me. Okay, let's leave. Thank you. Bye-bye. How do you enjoy that? Oh, please, please come here. You're gonna have the time of your life. So we're finally out of the dog shelter, and it was so much fun. And honestly, it was therapeutic. I have never felt so calm, and these people are doing God's work, and the woman who has established this, talking to her, it honestly felt like she really cares about the dogs. I would also like to add that I hope you all call beforehand before going to the place so you don't intrude. This is a place where all the puppies actually live, so be in coordination with the team over there. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll definitely be going back there. I'll link everything down below, so check it out. And I'll see you bitches and doggies later. Bye!